Today's topic is on carbon and its compounds. It is from class 10, okay, science class, okay. So carbon and its compounds. So first of all, we know that carbon is the element having the atomic number 6 and atomic mass 12. So what is the meaning? Means 6 protons are there inside the nucleus, and outside the nucleus 6 electrons are revolving, and nucleus also have neutron. The number is 6. So 6 neutron, 6 proton inside the nucleus, and outside the nucleus, surrounding nucleus, electron is 6. This is the carbon element, okay. So you can see here very easily that carbon, as it is having 6 electron. So from the electronic configuration, we know that it is 1s2 2s2 like this. So what is happening here? The outer cell orbit, the outer cell or outer orbit has 4 electron, okay. So that is not fulfilled. So in case so we have, if we apply the octet rule, we need more 4 electron to be stable, to become the stable carbon carbon element, okay. So in the outer cell it is 4 electron, we need more 4 electrons, then only it will be stable. That's why if as carbon is needed 4 electron from outside, that's why its valence is 4. So here see, bonding in carbon, the covalent bond. So in case of covalent bond, shared bond are formed. So how can it be? So see, like one example is methane, CH4. So what is happening here? 4 hydrogen means every hydrogen has only 1 electron. So 4 hydrogen in total giving 4 electron. So carbon is in need of 4 electron, and that is provided by 4 hydrogen element, okay, hydrogen atom. So thus CH4 compound is formed, that is methane. So here the valence is 4 for carbon, and for hydrogen it is 1, obviously, because on electron, hydrogen has 1 electron, and for fulfilling its highest level, on more electron is needed. First cell only 2 electron is needed to be stable. So that's why. And ethanol is, we need to remember the molecular formula, that is ethanol. For ethanol it is CH3CH2OH, means C2H5OH or CH3CH2OH. so hydroxyl group is there, OH is hydroxyl group, OH is named as hydroxyl group, okay. And chloroform CHCl3, that is trichlorine is there, 3 chlorine and 1 hydrogen. From 3 chlorine 3 electron, and from 1 hydrogen 1 electron. Carbon use as its own, that's why it is formed, okay. So now I'll go later. So see, okay, see here it is showing here. So what is happening? Hydrogen, when hydrogen molecule is formed, hydrogen molecule means H2, and in case of H2, if the hydrogen is lacking 1 electron to be stable, so 1 electron may be used from another hydrogen. That's why hydrogen molecule is formed, H2. So each hydrogen atom is using another electron from another hydrogen as its own. That's why thus the bond is formed. So one bond means 2 electron. So 2 electron is there. So you can see, thus hydrogen is formed. Here hydrogen is H hyphen H. So the single bond between 2 hydrogen atoms. So see here, oxygen atoms. What is formed? Oxygen molecule is formed, O2. Here double bond is written because oxygen, the atomic number of oxygen is how much? Atomic number of oxygen, it is obviously 8. So what is happening? First orbit is 2, so remaining 6 electron. So remaining 6 electron is in the outer cell or outer orbit. So to become it 8, we need more 2 electrons, so that's why 2 more electron means 2 bond. So 2 bond is formed between 2 oxygen atom, thus both atom got stabilized. Okay. O2 molecule. Okay, so thus it is formed. So see here, nitrogen, for nitrogen it is 7, atomic number is 7, so 2 the electronic configuration is 2 comma 5, so 5 electron in the outer shell or outer orbit, so we need more 3 electron to be it to become it 8, so 3 electron, that's why 3 bond is formed between 2 nitrogen atom. So see here, carbon, for carbon 4 electron is needed, that's why 4 electron is 4 electron is obtained here from 4 hydrogen atom. Okay, so thus CH4 molecule is formed, electron dot structure. Okay, so one covalent bond means 2 electron or 1 electron pair. So here, versatile nature of carbon. Okay, so see, hydrogen carbon is lacking 4 electron to be become stable, so 4 electron may be obtained from one single atom or maybe more than one more than one atom of different kind. So carbon and silicon gives us the semiconductor property, means because what is happening, you see, in conductance when extra electrons are there, they use to release the electron, and that electron may produce the electric current. But in case of carbon, only 4 electrons are there outside the outer cell, in the outer cell, so 4 electron is needed or 4 electron may be released. So what is the good for carbon? Usually it does not release the electron, that's why it is not conductor at a proper level, but it is semiconductor, means it can conduct to a some extent. So organic compounds is very, the word meaning is organic means the living system, those compounds which are obtained from living systems, living organisms, those are known as organic compounds. Mostly it has been seen that carbon is the main element which produces organic compounds. So here saturated and unsaturated compounds. Okay, saturated and unsaturated carbon. See here, this one, saturated means the single bond is known as saturated bond, means no other hydrogen attachment can be done, that is saturated. See, CH3, it is ethane, and this is the ethane structure of ethane. In case of ethane, CH3 bond CH3, here all carbon are fulfilled with 6 electrons, total 6 electrons from 6 atoms of hydrogen. So this is the electron dot structure of ethane. You can see 6 bond is there. Actually, see, 1 2 3, see, 3 means 6, and another is here. So total 7 bond is there. 6 bonds between carbon and hydrogen, and 1 bond between carbon and carbon. So carbon bond is also covalent bond, and carbon hydrogen bond, that is also a covalent bond. And here it is saturated, means only single bonded. When unsaturated, then double bond may be present. When double bond is present, then it is called as unsaturated. Double bond or triple bond, whatever, double bond or triple bond. See here, CH2 double bond CH2, this is the unsaturated form. So here we can add more hydrogen by breaking this carbon double bond, and forming carbon single bond. So if carbon single bond, then another hydrogen may be added to each carbon. That's why it is unsaturated. Okay, structure of ethene. This is known as ethene. Ethene. Okay. So next one is the acetylene. This is not acetylene is not shown here. That is CH triple bond CH. Okay. So see chains, branches, and rings. Okay. For now, up to this, I will cover remaining part in the next class. Thank you all.